What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we were back at my house working on this back deck again, and we were moving right along. We got all of the posts cut in on these new footings that we poured yesterday. We have one more back there to go. I need to get a nut for that anchor bolt. We are one nut short. Somehow it disappeared. We don't know where it went, so I got to run to the store and buy one just to put on that post base. Then we got a little bit of framing to finish up here. Got to get my drain pipe in, which is what he's digging right now, and we have to move these two propane tanks over to this new pad here. So we're moving right along here. Once we get all that done, we can start laying the decking on, and then that should go pretty quick. Hopefully we can start on the railings and the staircases today, and we'll see how far we get. We might have to work tomorrow to finish it up. We have one staircase going in on this end here, and then another staircase going in all the way on the other end by my back door. Alright, so we just figured out the angle of the decking. We tried one with a 45, but a 45 would come up short of the box, and we would have to put a little piece out here, and obviously you don't want any seams, so it's a little bit less of an angle, but you're never going to notice that. And now we'll have absolutely no seams on this whole deck. So we are getting all these boards cut. They're not nailed down or anything yet, but this whole side obviously has a cut like this, and then this whole side, the cut is opposite because you're coming this way. But we're gonna get all those cut. I'm gonna move these propane tanks right now and set this camera up on a little time lapse here while we get everything cut and finish up the framing out here on this end.
Let's go.
Alright, so we got all of the framing done, complete all the way across. Box on the outside here. We got this last post in here. We got our propane tanks moved, and now all we have left to do here is solid block around this gutter, so we have somewhere to nail our flooring to as we come across. None of this is nailed down yet. We're also going to have to notch a piece when we get here, depending on if it's only a little bit, maybe an inch or so, or it could be right in the middle of the board. We're not really sure. We got to start all the way down there and work our way across until we get to the gutter, and then when we get here, we'll cut it. Need a board.
No, así muñeco. Un poco abierto.
Fuck. This board is more tostado. El problema es eso. Eso es el problema.
Ha sido de cortarle un chico. Círculo.
Bro, poner eso en la basura.
Te creo.
Yep, that one's too twisted.
Oh, maybe muñeco, allá el último puede servir. Be careful.
Cuidado con los clavos.
No, más acá. No, más acá. Eso. Ahí va. Espera.
Que tiene el tornillo también. Sácale el tornillo.
Ya, ok.
Ya. Hey, no necesitan the board. Poner aquí. Spin the hammer a little bit and hace al lado de el clavo. No necesitan.
Sí, vea.
Aquí, like this. Right there. Right. No necesito arriba de eso. Solo aquí. Hey, poner tu martillo like this. No. Arriba de eso, pero directo a... No, spin it. Tú tienes aquí, mira. Tú tienes aquí, hace aquí. Ajá. Ahora tú tienes pequeño hueco. No necesitas sacarle el clavo.
Cuidado. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, don Guillo? Esa de la anterior está aquí. ¿Está abierta? Sí.
Ajá. ¿Tú sácale los tornillos?
Bien. Cuidado el JN. Cuidado, muñeco.
Yep, get rid of that. Oh no, that one is good. Sácale los clavos. Poner aquí. Yep. Sácale los clavos. Tú sácale esto y poner en la basura.
Muñeco, tu paca es cool. El pantalón está roto.
Tengo mucho aquí. ¿Por qué tú miras mi culo?
Porque tú dijiste que se te ha ido el teléfono. Para allá, muñeco. ¿No sácale el tornillo? No. Viene, muñeco. El bracket.
Atrás, mijo, hay madera.
Tornillo.
Saca todo.
Mira, saqué
Clavos,
pero
ahí
uno se quedó
estacas.
dañado.
Deja todo.
Uno no, pues. Esto va aquí. Viene, mijo.
Alright guys, everyone just pulled out of here. They will be back tomorrow morning. I got them working on a Saturday with me tomorrow to button this up, but we are about probably halfway across the back here. We got all of the posts in and it is coming out very nice. I'm super happy with it. It feels huge up here. You don't really understand how big it's going to be until you can walk on it, but we got to come around this corner here tomorrow, get the rest of these posts in. We have a staircase over there. This staircase is going to be right off this post, and here's the mark for the other side post on the staircase, so it'll go right here. I'm gonna do probably a mulch bed with some flowers or plants in there to keep all the grass and stuff, the weeds off of the house. And then this staircase on this side I'm keeping tight to the house. There will be another post right in this corner, but I wanted to keep the staircase tight so I have this whole corner I can put a table in. If I put the staircase either in the middle or out on the other end, then this whole side is pretty much killed. There's not really any room for anything, and being that I have my door here into my house, we're pretty much limited on what we can do in this corner to begin with. So it just makes the most sense to put it there. If I don't like it after that, I can always change it. It's just a matter of a couple posts and railings, and being that it's all pressure treated, it's not too expensive to change. But obviously nothing else on the two back sides will have to be changed. But I think that is pretty much it for this one. Tomorrow, like I said, the guys will be back here and hopefully we'll get this buttoned up. I'm gonna have one guy work on the two landings for the staircase. I'm gonna run to the store and grab all the stringer material and stuff that we need for that. Have two guys working on the decking and one other guy working on all of the railings. So we should have no issue getting this done tomorrow. I have time at the end of the day. Well, I'll have to go before lunchtime, but I'm gonna get some topsoil for this whole area over here. And I also have to finish this drain pipe for my gutters. I just got to get it a couple more feet out and then cut it on the angle of the grass so the water will run right out down that hill. But I also got my propane tanks moved and that's all connected, so made pretty good progress today. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.